Do you perceive your hunger and cravings as the enemy? Perhaps you crave certain foods when you're not hungry. Many people I work with find it actually incredibly difficult to decipher that they need to eat until they get to the point of extreme hunger. But I also see people who are afraid of their hunger. It takes over their lives, making them feel as though it's something they should be able to control. So what is the difference between physical and head hunger? Well, with physical hunger, you will feel sensations in your body, often in your stomach, but it could be elsewhere. It could feel like a hollow sensation, a lightheadedness, but there are more subtle signs of physical hunger, and it takes some time to relearn what they are and reconnect with them. And this kind of hunger will persist regardless of whether you see or smell food. Head hunger, however, is triggered by external cues. For example, you might be walking past a bakery and see or smell some lovely pastries in the window, and that will make you feel like you're hungry and you want to have some, go and buy some of that. Or it might be emotional, like you're feeling sad, stressed, lonely, down, angry, for example, and believe that the pastry will actually make you feel better. But it's important to know that if you are experiencing head hunger, it's not a sign of weakness or something to fear. It's often a sign of an unmet need. Understanding these signals with self-compassion is key to creating positive change and really helping you to heal your relationship with food. So what if you feel true bodily hunger all the time? Well, if your hunger is real and persistent, embrace it, because it is your body's way of telling you that it needs nourishment. If you feel intense hunger even after finishing a meal, then perhaps it's that you actually haven't allowed yourself to eat enough, and perhaps following self-imposed rules about how much you should be eating. Now, many clients express their amazement and joy at the difference that it makes to eat 3 balanced meals a day and allow themselves more if they need it. They no longer feel like they need to snack or graze or even binge in the evenings, and they're able to enjoy their meals. And what if you don't know when you're hungry or when you're full? Well, we are all born with innate signals, with the ability to respond to those hunger, fullness and satiety signals. If you think about babies and toddlers and how they just know, they will push food away when they don't want any more because they know. But sadly, this skill can erode over time due to all the environmental influences, mass media and diet culture. I mean, have you ever been on a diet that really focuses on your hunger and satiety? Unlikely. But the good news is this skill can be learned. With work and focus, you can start listening to your body and trust its signals and respond accordingly to them. I've seen clients really transform their relationship with food and eating and liberate their minds and make incredible life transformations by doing this work. And so if this is something that you're struggling with, my free guide, Breaking the Cycle, will help you to just get started with this. So do download it. I'll provide a link near where you're watching this video so that you can get your hands on it. And this is where we start to do the work on relearning your hunger, satiety and fullness signals. I'd love to hear if you've started trying this. How has it helped you? And I will see you again soon.